So what's it say?
Go away! I'm gonna need you to go away.
It's fine.
Stop. Oh my god, stop! Go away. This is like not a thing that's happening. You're just gonna be disappointed.
Why are you doing all three of them?
That's what it says to do. Can you not? Is that cool? Can you go away? You're just gonna be disappointed.
If you guys don't know, Katilyn thinks that she's pregnant.
And you want it to be true.
Jennifer wants to have a sister.
Stop!
Who wants to have another sister?
She's a dog.
Jennifer wants to have a sister.
It's not. What's she doing? That's really cute.
That make her want to have a sister? Very good.
Stop. No, it's fine. It's probably not. There's no way.
All three of them say pregnant, by the way.
It's like not a thing.
Katilyn, how are you doing? How's it going?
Can you like not? Is that cool? Oh no, I knew it. God, I hate you. Is that cool? Like,
Well,
just not.
She's a little sad right here. Alright guys, so I ended up telling my mom and my family on Christmas Eve, and I got some of my mom's reaction. I didn't get my brother and sisters because my mom didn't answer her phone the first time, but my brother and sisters did. So I ended up telling them. But here's my mom's reaction. Hope you guys like it.
Nice five-head. Leave my five-head alone.
I wanted to tell you something, Mom. Mom.
Tell me something?
Yeah.
What?
Katilyn's pregnant.
Is she really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
I meant to tell you earlier, but I forgot.
Oh my gosh!
So fragile.
Let that go.
Is it really fragile?
A little bit.
So what you're saying is don't just like drop kick it? Not a good idea?
Yeah, no, don't drop it.
So ridiculous.
Kaylee helped you wrap.
Oh, what is that?
Great sisters get promoted to aunt. And she hugs and her best hugs.
Oh my god! Yay! Oh my gosh! No, I just have to tell you. You are so good. Oh my god!
Look, I wish you would have saw your mom's face.
Next year.
She just stared at me.
See, now you have to do them next year.
I do. Well, guys, I'm a little salty. They wouldn't let me record in there for the ultrasound, but there's the head, and there's little beatsies. And
Which are feet to people who don't know what you're saying.
the beatsies.
Yeah. You can see the little...
Got everything right there.
We could see the little hands moving. It was really cute. And my mom was there. Mom could see the little heartbeat.
Yeah.
Could see it.
We saw everything. It was cool.
Really cute.
I was gonna do it, but I thought I'd respect them.
Yeah.
I thought I would respect them, but yeah, guys, that's the little baby that's in that little tums of hers.
Little tiny baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this in a different spot. This is just kind of next to my normal makeup stuff, but I'm doing this because this is a very, very different video than what I would normally film. There's a reason that I've been kind of away for a little while and I haven't been doing videos as often, and I also have been, I feel like, less active doing just makeup in general, but that reason is I'm pregnant. So Jay and I are expecting our first child and we're so excited, and I'm gonna send you through the little photo reel, video reel of what we have for you guys. We've kind of documented the process over the last 2 months or so. So, but yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know in this little video. So I will be getting more in detail with everything later on, but this is just my little announcement video. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being a part of this whole journey with me. I'll see you soon.